ready to capture the essence of speed and movement. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. I'm using a standard 1920 by 1080 artboard, but feel free to choose whatever size works best for you. Select the pen tool, which looks like a fountain pen nib now. We'll start outlining the basic shape of our running man. Think about capturing the pose, the angle of the arms and legs, showing a dynamic stride. Don't worry about perfection just yet. Focus on the overall form. Switch to the direct selection tool, the white arrow. Click on individual anchor points and drag them to refine the curves and angles, making the silhouette more dynamic and visually appealing. Next, select the entire shape and fill it with a solid color. Black works great for a classic silhouette, but feel free to experiment. Remove the stroke by setting the stroke color to none. Zoom in and make any final adjustments. Smooth out any harsh angles and make sure the overall flow of the silhouette feels natural and dynamic. And there you have it, a dynamic running man silhouette created in Adobe Illustrator, perfect for logos, icons, or any design where you need to convey speed and motion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tutorials.